The best way to make AI dashboards just changed forever. What you had to do previously is you had to get the data somehow by exporting it or downloading it from your apps like Google BigQuery or Analytics or Excel. You then had to upload it into Claude or any AI of your choice, tell it to analyze and break down the data, and then tell it to generate an HTML dashboard from that data. And then if you ever wanted to update the data to make sure it's new and fresh data, you had to do that entire cycle again. Go and export the new data from Google BigQuery, for example, upload it back into Claude and generate a new HTML. Not only is this a lot of manual work for you that you no longer have to do, but it also eats up your tokens because generating new HTML reports is actually a very demanding task for AI and it eats a lot of tokens. But with this new method, you no longer have to get the data yourself and you no longer have to generate new HTML reports. Basically, anytime you now open your dashboard, it will automatically refresh the data by being connected to all your favorite apps, and it will adjust the dashboard to show the newest, freshest data automatically anytime you open it. So let me show you exactly how this works, how you can set it up, and how you now can create the best looking and best performing dashboards with real-time data that updates anytime you use it. So Claude Cowork recently came out with Live Artifacts, dashboards and trackers connected to your apps and files. Open one anytime and it refreshes with current data. Everything you build is saved to the new Live Artifacts tab with version history. Come back tomorrow or next month from any session and pick up where you left off. And heading into Claude Cowork, this is what that looks like. So you have the new Live Artifacts tab on the left hand side, and your artifacts also get pinned right here, so you can always open them, and you can also work on your artifacts in any session. So you can super easily create a brand new session and keep working on old artifacts. But this is just an example of one I made that is connected to my Google BigQuery. Google BigQuery is where we have the data of a lot of our clients, but for this example, I am actually just using my business partner Andrew's health data because he also tracks his health data with his Apple Watch and his workouts, etc. So here we have his steps over the last 30 days, average heart rate, sleep, etc. Now he isn't tracking everything super actively, so this isn't completely accurate, but it's just an example of how it may look when you connect it to something like Google BigQuery. Obviously, this would look much better with some actual data from one of our ecom clients, but I can't really show that in this video. But whenever you want to refresh the data, but it automatically refreshes the data anytime you open it, or you have the refresh tab in the top right corner, which you can just click and it updates the data live. If I click onto Live Artifacts, they are all saved here. So I also have my morning brief artifact. So this is connected to my Gmail as well as to CoinDesk, which is a crypto price tracker basically. So here I get the exact live Bitcoin price anytime I open it, and at the bottom I also have the Bitcoin live funding rate, which I am pretty interested in, as well as the prices and 24-hour movement of the top 10 cryptocurrencies. And then it will also load all of my emails over the past 24 hours and rank them by importance. So it does take a little while to load, but once it loads, this is what it will look like. So here I can see all of the emails. It puts a rank on the importance, basically tells me which ones I should reply to, says if any of them are critical. So here I have like a contract I need to sign, a paid collaboration opportunity, someone that redesigned my thumbnail. So basically my 10 most important emails that I need to check out. So Live Artifacts basically allows you to turn one-shot answers into pages that pull fresh data every time you open them. So a Live Artifact is basically a self-contained HTML page that Cowork saves, and when you reopen it, it queries your connected tools like Gmail, like Slack, Notion, etc. and shows the latest state. So as you can see, the price right now of Bitcoin is $81,179. But if I click on the refresh, you can see that it now updates to the current Bitcoin price. Now, these are just two examples of some basic artifacts that I have made. And if I go into customize, you can also see the connectors I'm using. So I'm using the CoinDesk connector for the crypto prices. I'm using the Gmail connector to basically pull all of my emails. And I use the Google BigQuery connector for the health data. And this is also the one I'll be using for any artifacts I make for our client data. But if you're not familiar with Cowork and connectors, you can connect it to basically any app you are using regularly. So Google Drive, you have Gmail, Google Calendar, you can connect it to your Shopify. So anytime you open it, you get live Shopify data. You can connect it to Slack, to Notion, to HubSpot, Booking.com, and literally hundreds, if not thousands of apps. So anything you are working with, you can very likely connect it in Cowork and create these live dashboards and live artifacts. Now, if you're not familiar with Claude Cowork and Claude Code, we do have a full AI Impact Skool community with a full mini course on Claude Cowork to get you started and a full in-depth Claude Code course. And we keep adding stuff in here every week to keep you up to date on anything in the AI space. So you can check that out down below. We are doing a discounted price for the first 50 members. So this is how you now can create dashboards with real-time data that updates itself every time you open it. But obviously these designs are very basic. These are just 2 artifacts I quickly created to showcase in this video. But to take this to the next level, you can combine it with some other AI tools like Claude Design, like how I did in my previous dashboard video. In my previous dashboard video, I showed you exactly how to design the best looking dashboards available. So you can go and check that video out after this one if you want to. But for example, here I told Claude Design to make 4 different prototypes or first drafts of different type of dashboard designs, and then I would just choose one to use. So this was the first one that it made, which looks really good and really professional. This is the second one, which is more advanced and detailed. Everything is interactive. This looks beautiful as well. It then has a dark themed dashboard, which I also like a lot. This looks great as well. And it lastly made a more magazine or editorial type of dashboard. So if you combine this with the new live artifacts, you can easily create some beautiful dashboards right here. When you are happy with the design, you just click share and you can export it as a standalone HTML to give to Claude Cowork, tell it to use that style to build your artifact, or you can hand it off to Claude Code right here super easily, or export as a zip file or PDF, etc. But the fact that you can now design beautiful finance dashboards like this in Claude Design, export it into Claude Cowork to build the backend using connectors like Shopify, BigQuery, Gmail, etc. to always pull live fresh data and update these dashboards anytime you are using them is just so powerful. It's incredible how fast AI is moving, and a use case like dashboards is one of the best use cases out there right now. It's incredible at making beautiful dashboards, and it's incredible at analyzing loads and loads of data. Now lastly, just to show you how easy it is to make one of these live artifacts, I would firstly figure out what kind of design I would want. So you can do this either by using something like Claude Design to actually make a draft of the design you want to use, or you can also just use a brand style guide, like for example this one, which is white, black and yellow, like a sporty look. This is obviously just an example. This won't really make much sense for the artifact I'll be making, but I can, for example, just say I want to make a live artifact dashboard that tracks my Google Calendar meetings with the connector. Follow this brand style guide and make the artifact. Because I have connected Claude Cowork to my Google meetings, but I don't actually have many meetings. I don't think I have any meetings right now in my Google Calendar, so it won't actually show anything in this artifact. This is just an example of how easy it is to actually make one using the connectors. You obviously need to make sure the app is connected first. If not, Claude will just tell you to connect it right here. But once that is done, you just give it instructions and it will make the artifact for you and save it in the live artifacts tab. So you can see now that the calendar connector was verified. Events list returns empty for this account because I have no meetings scheduled, but the actual connector works. So it's now building the artifact with full brand fidelity. So here we go. It then made the full Google Calendar overview and it saved it in the artifacts section. So you can see it right here. It very nicely followed the brand style guide I attached with the white, yellow and black sporty look. It says 14 days free, no meetings, free day, schedule is clear. So this is great. This was just a quick example of how easy it is to make one of these live artifacts and how easy it is to actually use the connectors. So if you have data that you need to be fresh and updated every single day or every week, creating one of these artifacts should be a top priority for you because, like I said, it will save you a lot of time and also a lot of Claude tokens. Now, I hope this made sense. Again, if you want to see exactly how to use, for example, Claude Design to actually generate the most visually stunning dashboards out there that you can then hand off to Claude Code or Claude Cowork, go and watch my previous dashboard video where I go into detail on exactly how I made this. Again, you can check out our Skool community with a full Claude Code course and Claude Cowork course and full starter repos and much more. The links will be down below in the description. Now with that said, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date with everything going on in the AI space, and I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video.